Building a six-figure freelance income isn't just about working harder, it's about working smarter with the right scalable tools. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build that kind of income by leveraging tools that can help you automate and grow your business without burning out. First, let's talk about the importance of scalability. A six-figure income isn't sustainable if you're stuck doing everything manually. That's where scalable tools come in. Tools that automate client management, streamline your workflow, and help you scale without needing to constantly add hours to your day. Without these tools, reaching six figures will feel like running on a treadmill. But with them, you're on the fast track to success. Now, the key to building a solid freelance income starts with finding the right software that can automate and scale your processes. The first essential tool is client management software. You need something that not only helps you organize client information, but can also send automated reminders, follow-ups, and scheduling. You're not just managing clients, you're managing time, and that's your most valuable asset. You'll be surprised how much time you'll save by using a tool that streamlines your communications and appointments. Next, content management tools are crucial. Whether you're a writer, designer, or developer, keeping your projects organized and your deadlines in check is key. These tools allow you to track progress, share files, and collaborate with clients, all in one place. Instead of wasting time sifting through emails or file folders, everything is organized and ready for you to move on to your next big project. The third tool you need is invoicing and payment automation. You want to make sure that getting paid is as smooth as possible. The software we'll be using for this step takes care of everything: billing, payment reminders, and even integrates with multiple payment processors so you can accept payments seamlessly. No more chasing down payments or dealing with missed invoices. Now here's where it gets even better. Once you have your basic systems in place, you can start leveraging marketing tools that scale. Think social media schedulers, email marketing software, and lead generation tools. These tools will help you reach more clients, build your email list, and automate your outreach so that you're not spending all your time hunting for leads. With just a few minutes of work per week, you'll be able to keep a steady stream of new clients coming in. One last tip: don't forget about your personal brand. Use scalable tools to help build your online presence. Scheduling content for LinkedIn, Instagram, or other platforms can be automated with the right software. This allows you to keep engaging with potential clients while focusing on the work that actually makes you money. I've tested a bunch of software options to help freelancers like you scale to six figures, and I've found the one I'm recommending here today. It's all in one and can help with everything from client management to invoicing to marketing. And if you're serious about scaling your freelance business, I've got an exclusive free trial for this software in the description below. This trial is only available to viewers of my channel, so make sure to check it out. To wrap it up, if you want to build a six-figure freelance income, the key takeaway here is simple: scalability is your best friend. Use scalable tools for client management, content management, invoicing, and marketing. By automating repetitive tasks, you'll free up time to do what really matters, delivering high-quality work and attracting more clients. So remember, take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below and start implementing these tools today. Your six-figure freelance income is closer than you think.